Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again with another video today. This one a little bit different. We have some carbon fiber from my friends over at Dyna Performance. If you haven't heard of Dyna, they're really good company. They print real carbon fiber with a gel coating that is essentially just put on 3M tape and you stick it on, good to go. Easiest thing ever. The blue car had a full interior. So now it's time that we get the red car with a full interior. We did go a little bit different on this one. We got red carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can see that if the camera's picking it up or not, but this stuff is really cool looking. So we'll go ahead. I'm gonna show you the steps you need to follow to get this stuff installed. It's super simple. Anybody can do it. Just a little hint for the next video. Little bit's gone on with the car since the last video. A little bit lower and a hell of a lot a bit louder. So we'll cover that in the next video, but today is going to be all about our friends over at Dyna Performance. They do have a discount code for you guys. It'll be right here. Just check that out if you guys want to get some of this for yourself. And yeah, let's get right into it. So the first and probably most important step that you need to follow when you install this stuff: clean your work surface. Get you some 50% isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber towel, and literally wipe the entire dash down. Just make sure everything you're going to be sticking to is perfectly clean. This stuff is extremely strong. It will stick, but you just don't want any sort of contaminants on the surface that you're going to be sticking to, or it's going to end up being a nightmare down the road. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe all this down, and then I'll show you guys the actual install. I mean, this fitment on this stuff is ridiculously good. So truthfully, it's as simple as peel the backing off and stick it and you're done. So let me wipe it down and then I'll pick the camera back up when I go start installing this stuff. All right guys, just showing you a little progress here. We've got pretty much the entire driver's side and the entire instrument cluster done. I guess the main thing with this stuff, you want to peel it and stick it one time. So just take your time. Like the fitment, like I explained, is really good. So it essentially is just like putting a puzzle together. All you have to do, just apply firm pressure when you stick it. So like for instance, this piece over here, what I do, I just align this entire outside edge first, and then just work my way over and make sure you get all these gaps right to where they look even and symmetrical like that. But really with this Dyna, I mean, it's just like putting a jigsaw puzzle together as an 8-year-old. This stuff is cut so good. I mean, you can see all this little stuff in here, just how well and precise it's cut. So this part, probably gonna need a little help from the wife to get that done. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of it done. And then once everything is put together, we'll take it out in the sun and I'll show you guys exactly what this stuff looks like. All right guys, so about an hour later and you should get to this point. The fitment on this stuff, like I said, I can't stress it enough. It is spot on. No gaps, no wrinkles or anything. Just take your time. Like I said, peel it and stick it one time. That's really the only thing you have to worry about. It'll kind of form to the way it needs to go and the spots it needs to fill. I mean, it's cut so good. In regards to this red finish that they have on it, you know, I was skeptical at first just because I didn't really want it to be kind of an overload of red, if you will. But I think that it is just fine. And especially in direct sunlight, I don't know if the camera picks it up as good as it looks in person, but this stuff looks really solid. Like I said, there will be a code right here if you want to go get yourself some Dyna for your Mustang or any car really for that matter. They've expanded a lot. They do Chargers now, trucks, I mean all kind of stuff. So please be sure you guys go check out Dyna Performance. I've been working with them for about 2 years now. This is the second interior kit I've done. So yeah, with that being said, stay tuned. The next video, we're still working on getting this thing prepped for Mustang Week. Like I said, car has been lowered and It's got the Corsa Extremes with the stainless works headers. So I'll give you guys kind of an in-depth review of all that stuff and what else we have going on. But until then, thank you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you in the next one.